This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Charge it to between 30 and 80% and close background apps so readings aren't skewed. Once done, open the phone app and be ready to enter the Android testing code. Alternatively, go straight to Settings Battery. Do this now because the testing menu or the battery panel gives you raw parameters. Make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection if you plan to install a dedicated battery app for cross-checking later. Next, run the diagnostics and capture the key metrics. If the dialer code works, open battery info and read voltage, temperature, and health status. These tell you whether the battery reports abnormal voltage or overheating. If the code doesn't work, open Settings Battery or use a Q battery to measure actual mAh, discharge rate, and estimated capacity. While testing, run a short drain test, play video for 10 minutes. Finally, interpret what you found. Divide measured capacity by the original rated capacity to estimate battery health. For example, 4,250 mAh on a 5,000 mAh battery is 85%. Make sure temperature stays under 40 degrees C and voltage is stable. Otherwise, suspect aging or a faulty cell. If values conflict or the phone behaves oddly, repeat tests after a full charge cycle and try a second app. One troubleshooting tip. If metrics remain inconsistent, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.